Assalamu alaikum guys. First of all, I'm gonna use moisturizer on my skin and then I'm gonna use facial toner of Nirvana Botanics. After that, I will apply C serum of Garnier. It will shrink your pores and now your skin is ready for any type of makeup. I'm gonna use Fin's foundation in the shade 01 and after that I will use Miss Rose concealer in the shade beige 4. And after that, I will fill my brows with Oriflame's eyeshadow palette. Fill your brows before applying concealer. And after that, conceal your eyes. Correct the shape of your eyebrows and then blend it smoothly. After that, fix it with any face powder. I used here Etude face powder in the shade 01. If you have hooded eyes like mine, then you have to create a line above the eyelid and blend it. I am using blue eyeliner here. I used brown glitter eyeliner of Flare in the shade 03. So under eye के लिए I used little bit light blue color and then blend it with a light brown shade. I'm using blue kajal of Lovely and Lovely in the shade SSJ009 and then prep your eyelashes with any mascara. I am using here Surprise Flat Lash Mascara. And after that, highlight your cheeks and you can apply nude brown shade in lipstick. So this is my final look. If you want to watch more tutorials from me, then do comments, keep sharing and subscribe my channel. Thank you.